In the beginning, there was the void, a tapestry waiting to be woven. Within its expanse, the threads of character were spun, each strand a story, each fiber a fate. Throughout the ages, humankind has sought to understand these threads. We gave them names, we wove them into myths and legends, and we lived by their patterns. We humans are remarkable creatures, consciously aware of ourselves, others, and something beyond. This awareness isn't just a simple observation, it's the very foundation of who we are, the bedrock of our character. But our consciousness isn't a single, uniform entity. It's far more complex and fascinating. Imagine a series of concentric circles, each layer representing a different aspect of our consciousness. Many have explored the fabric of humanity and human consciousness, each finding independently a similar pattern. We have consolidated these discoveries into a single point of reference. Charametrics, the measure of our character, the map of our growth. Here, we find 7 distinct layers, each representing a crucial stage in our evolution as conscious beings. The first layer is security and survival, where we explore what it is to exist. Next comes belonging and inclusion, where we explore what it is to feel. The third layer is significance and achievement. We explore what it is to do. In the fourth layer, gratitude and care, we explore what it is to love. The fifth layer, trust and autonomy, we explore what it is to express. As we reach the sixth layer, discovery and growth, we explore what it is to see. And finally, in the seventh layer, meaning and purpose, we explore what it is to understand. Each of these layers corresponds to fundamental feelings, states of being, that shape our experience of the world. Our character is woven from thousands of individual threads. These threads are our traits, our virtues, the building blocks of who we are. At the foundation, we find self-discipline and mindfulness. These traits form the bedrock of our character, evolving our survival and physical needs. They are grounded in the element of earth. As we evolve, we encounter tolerance and respect. Here, we find flow in connection and emotional balance, represented by the element of water. In the realm of courage, we forge our achievement and willpower. This fiery layer ignites our drive and determination. Love and compassion bloom in the fourth layer, expanding into kindness, devotion, and gratitude. This layer is as vital and omnipresent as air. Truthfulness and trustworthiness take root in the fifth layer, refining our expression to live more congruently in the truth of our being. This layer resonates with the element of sound. Hope and wisdom bring awareness and insight as we shine a light into deeper discoveries. This illuminating layer corresponds to light. As we unify our understanding, we bring together purposefulness with clarity, awe, and reverence for life itself and the role we play. This final layer is as all-encompassing as ether. Like waves shaping a shoreline, our experiences, both joyful and challenging, slowly form and craft our character strengths. We grow, we evolve, always reaching for that next layer of understanding. Sometimes we reach, and sometimes we surrender, but always we progress. So, here's the question. What are your strengths? Are they thriving? Are they seen and valued by those around you? The journey of character is one of mindful growth. It begins with identifying your strengths, then refining them until they truly thrive. And finally, leading with those strengths, letting them shine in your life, your work, and your relationships. The possibilities of understanding and applying Charametrics are endless, from personal growth to deeper relationships, from professional development to building a more compassionate society. All of these and more can spring from understanding our character, our Charametrics.